Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Make.com affiliate program, full guide step by step clearly. Look for the affiliate or partners link, usually located in the footer or main menu. Click on the link to access the affiliate program page. Read through the information provided to understand the benefits and requirements. Locate the sign up button or link on the affiliate program page. Click the sign up button to initiate the registration process. Fill out the registration form with your personal and business information. Provide accurate details to ensure a smooth review process. After completing the form, submit your application for review. Wait for a confirmation email from Make.com regarding the status of your application. Once approved, log into your affiliate dashboard using the credentials provided. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available resources. Access your unique affiliate links which will be needed for promotion. Explore the promotional materials that Make.com offers to affiliates. Choose the marketing strategies that best fit your audience. Start sharing your affiliate links through your channels to begin earning commissions. Monitor your performance through the dashboard to track clicks and conversions. Stay updated with any new promotions or campaigns from Make.com. Engage with fellow affiliates and join community discussions for tips and support. Continuously refine your strategies based on performance metrics and feedback. Commit to providing valuable content to your audience while promoting Make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.